Diolch yn fawr iawn, Dirprwy Lywydd, ac mi hoffwn ni ddatganiad gan y Llywodraeth ynglŷn â pa amodau mae Llywodraeth Cymru'n ei gosod ar gyllid sy'n cael ei ddarparu ganddi ar gyfer busnesau mwyn gwarchod gweithwyr a chyflogaeth yng Nghymru. I'm pleased that Welsh Government has been able to support Stena Line with a number of investments in Holyhead, but I want to appeal to Government to ensure that in providing support, it's able also to influence important local employers like Stena too. For example, I wonder if Government was aware of Stena's decision to reflag its brand new Holyhead's Dublin ferry Estrid. It's great to see investment in that beautiful new ship, but I am worried by the fact that in Algeciras, during a delivery from China recently, she was changed from Welsh to Cypriot registration. Estrid Cardiff was reflagged and literally rebadged as Estrid Limassol. Now, there's a suggestion that it's driven by a desire to remain EU registered. Now, I have met members of the ship's crew who, as a result, now no longer pay UK national insurance contributions directly, and they're worried about the implications of that. But they also have longer-term worries that reflagging under a flag of convenience could be a slippery slope towards undermining workers' rights, and even undermining Stena's previous policy and current policy, which of course is vital in my constituency of crewing locally rather than internationally. So as well as providing a statement, hopefully, can I ask Government, as I am doing, to write to Stena to seek assurances that workers' rights and jobs will be protected, and in doing so, that Welsh Government uses its influence as a part funder of various Stena projects?
Well, I had a recent meeting with the RMT union to discuss exactly this issue, although it wasn't particularly in the context of Stena Line. It was more in the context of what we can do to support Welsh seafarers who work in all kinds of parts of the seafaring industry. And the concerns which were raised there was that when companies do take advantage of various opportunities which are there for them legally, then it does mean that some Welsh workers can be outpriced, and that workers from elsewhere in the world can actually find themselves not paid as well as they should be, and find themselves with poor employment rights as well. So there's some of the concerns which you've described I very much recognise, and I'd be happy to ask the Minister for Transport to provide an update on Welsh Government's approach to that, and some reflections on the opportunities which might be to change the law, although it would, I think, have to be done at a UK basis.